Hello, viewers. Welcome back. So, recently, Tally has uploaded the latest release 7.1, which is available now for download. In this video, we will quickly walk through the highlights of release 7.1, and in the subsequent videos, we will go into each of these features and understand these features in depth. Let us understand the highlights of 7.1. In this video, we shall walk through and understand in brief the major and other features that are made available in this new release of 7.1. The theme of this release is Trusted AI. Tally has been providing AI features in a couple of previous releases. In this release, we have another major leap in AI integration with Tally Prime. Enhanced connected services. Now, ICICI Bank has been added to Tally Prime's list of online banking features. Greater personalization. Tally provides personalization for your invoice. Let us now look into the major features. The first one is invoice print templates and user defined invoice configuration. You can express your brand identity through your invoices. Tally provides ready to use predefined templates that you can select for your invoice with a click of a button. Other personalization options that you have for the invoice configuration are you can add logos, watermarks, header and footer images with custom fonts and colors. You can also define your own terms and conditions. You can have different template for each voucher type as per your requirement. The next one, Docs by Ira, that is Tally AI document scanning and data updation in Tally Prime. Tally now modernizes data entry through thoughtfully built AI feature. It is reliable, keeps business in control while helping read, understand, and prepare data faster and more accurately. Tally IRA is provided as a plugin. Tally provides complimentary 100 pages of scanning facility free of cost. The features of IRA are you can click images with the mobile app or import scanned documents. It helps in AI powered extraction. Uploaded documents are analyzed and their information extracted. Extracted data is matched with masters to flag anything missing. You have the facility to create bulk vouchers. The feature helps in mapping masters to values, auto creates masters, and detects duplicates. The next one is Schedule 3 financial statements. Again, this is an additional plugin that will be made available from this release. Schedule 3 is provided in Excel format where you can, with one click, export all the relevant information, including inventory details, sundry debtors, creditors, aging with MSME and non MSME bifurcation, faster and simpler mapping and bifurcation, facility with pre mapping, auto filling mapping, and simplified current and non current classification. You can generate financial statements as per ICA guidelines notes, where you have the facility to export the financial statement to PDF, Excel, or you can print directly. Let us now look at the other features that Tally has provided in this release. The first one, auto wrap text in masters, transactions, and reporting and printing. Auto wrap text helps in comfortable reading, no more compression of long text. You can now View and share the details in your masters, transactions, and reports with perfect clarity with this feature. The next one, HSN SAC list in Tally Prime, in masters, returns, and in transactions. Now, in master creation and voucher entry, the list of HSN SAC will appear in the respective HSN SAC field. You can search by entering the code or by typing the description. Long descriptions reveal full detail on hover via a tooltip. This will be current always as it will be updated using capsules. At the written level, a new option performs bulk verification of all HSN SAC codes in the return. The next one, GST related again, IMS enhancements where you can now reconcile with book view. IMS has already been provided. Now you have a further enhancements for this IMS feature. Now with the enhanced IMS feature, you can reconcile the bills with book view to understand the reconciliation status of vouchers in your books and view your IMS inward supplies report based on the availability of corresponding entries. The other feature is banking feature now available for ICICI Bank. The seamless secure banking feature is now being made available to ICICI Bank customers. Seamless banking in Tally Prime helps you to check balance from within the product, initiate payment, auto payment advice. You can view the payment status. You can download the bank statement from within Tally Prime, and you can perform auto bank reconciliation in Tally with the imported bank statement. You also have the facility to create bulk vouchers. Other enhancements are ETDS and ETCS written as per Income Tax New Act 2025. The new written forms, that is form number 138, form number 140, 143 and 144 have been introduced. You can use period based validation to ensure e-returns are exported from the applicable form. The next enhancement, secure emailing with OAuth based authentication. OAuth is open authentication. Open authentication is a one time browser sign in now available for Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, Microsoft 365, MSN, and custom domains on Google or Microsoft Workspaces. The next one, flexible discount feature. You can now apply discount as a percentage or as an amount, or you can apply both in your transaction. Broadly, these are the major and other features that are made available in the latest release Tally 7.1. And in the upcoming videos, we will walk through each of these enhancements in detail along with the product demo. I hope this gives you the clarity of the release features that are available. And like I mentioned in the subsequent video, we will walk through each of these features. So thank you once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.